Anxiety around midterms isn't uncommon. One NIU psychology professor is using these rodents to help find a cure for depression and anxiety. Good evening, I'm George Rodas. Thanks for joining us.
And I'm Christine Vandenbroek. NTC reporter Andrea Azzo tells us how prairie voles may provide answers to these illnesses.
This prairie vole is being tested for anxiety. He's one of many other voles that psychology professor Angela Grippo is using for her research. Grippo won a grant and is using prairie voles to help find a cure for certain human illnesses.
So if we knew how social stress specifically changes the brain, we could help design better treatments for people who are depressed or anxious or feeling some negative effects of social stress.
Prairie voles live with their families and form strong social bonds with loved ones. The voles need to bond with their families, otherwise they feel anxious or depressed.
These two prairie voles here are actually sisters. You can see how they are in an enriched environment, meaning they have lots of toys and an exercise wheel to play with. While if you look at the prairie vole over here, he's all alone with nothing to play with. So you can see the difference between the two.
Grippo and her research assistants are doing numerous experiments to test the prairie vole's behavior.
If the animal is in the walls that are closed, that have the walls in them, that's supposed to be safer, whereas if they're in the walls that are open, that's supposed to be more dangerous, therefore more anxiety.
Anxious or not, prairie voles do not make good pets. They aren't domesticated, so they can be dangerous to humans.
They're super cute until you stick your hand in the wrong place, and then they're quite painful. But yeah, I really like them. They're a lot of fun to work with.
Hopefully, one day, these little critters can help unlock some mysteries to human health. In DeKalb, Andrea Azzo, NTC News.
Thanks, Andrea. Dr. Grippo hopes that in December a conclusion can be drawn from the research.